Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can set different borders to different pages in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. We need first to open Microsoft Word, to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Maximize it. Click on the blank document. So let me just quickly insert two more pages. Okay, so we have now 3 pages. Now click on the first page and at the ribbon, you will find the layout tab. Click on that. Click on breaks and click on next page. Okay, then click on the first page and then click on this design tab. Click on page borders. Then click on box. Choose your style for the color. Let me set it to red. And then apply to, click on this drop down arrow and choose this section and click on OK. Okay, so for the next page, click on it and then click again on the layout tab. Breaks, click on the arrow and choose next page. And then click on the second page again. Okay, this one. And then you will see the cursor. Okay, and then click on the design tab. Then click on page borders. Click on box. Color, let's choose from here. Let's go with yellow. For the width, let's maintain this to 4.5. Apply to, click on the drop down arrow and choose this section and click on OK. Okay, now let's go with the third page and just do the same process as what we have done for the first and second page. Now let me show you this in Okay, so that's it. As easy as that. You have just set different borders for different pages in your Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.